अब सीखेंगे वेलोसिटी टाइम ग्राफ। वेलोसिटी टाइम ग्राफ, तो वेलोसिटी टाइम ग्राफ आसान सी बात है, सीधी सी बात है। वेलोसिटी टाइम ग्राफ में वेलोसिटी टाइम, ठीक है। तो अगर वेलोसिटी टाइम ग्राफ में मुझे को ऐसा मिला, तो स्लोप ऑफ वेलोसिटी टाइम ग्राफ, स्लोप ऑफ वीटी ग्राफ मुझे क्या बताएगा? स्लोप विल बी इक्वल्स टू वेलोसिटी बाय टाइम. So velocity by time is acceleration. So that means slope of velocity time graph represents acceleration. So that means in this case slope will be same, everything will be same. So this is uniform acceleration. Uniform acceleration. Okay, fine. So if in a velocity time graph, if it is like this velocity time graph, this is also velocity by time but is equals to negative acceleration. Why? Because slope will be negative. Why slope will be negative? Because it is ulta line, and you know that negative acceleration means retardation. Yes or no? Retardation means uniform retardation it will be, because it is a straight line. Uniform retardation. I hope you remember what is retardation. Suppose a car object is here, it went and it went there. If it was at 5 meter per second velocity, if it was 10 meter per second velocity here, and if it has taken 2 seconds time to change the velocity, so acceleration is equals to final velocity minus initial velocity by time. So acceleration will be equals to 10 minus 5 by 2, so it will be 2.5 meter per second square. I have taught you all these things, but it is coming positive because the velocity has increased. But it may be so that the velocity may decrease also. Suppose it is 50 meter per second and it is now going at 10 meter per second. So if it is going at 10 meter per second, so it is like, if it is going at 10 meter per second, so it is like maybe it has happened in 10 seconds, okay. But your final velocity is 10. So 10 minus 50 by 10. So minus 40 by 10. So that means you get minus 4 meter per second square. This is decrease in velocity, so that's why it is known as retardation. But retardation is uniform in this case because it is a straight line. Always slope will come same, so retardation will also come same. But if it is like this kind of graph, if it is this kind of graph, one other thing, if you want to see in this way, I want to see this to this change, this to this, that equal uniform acceleration means what? Equal increase of velocity at equal intervals of time. That is equal change of uniform velocity is equal displacements at equal intervals of time, and uniform acceleration is equal velocity change at equal intervals of time. So in that way also you can find out, no problem, the first way that I have taught you, okay, that way also you can do. But slope way is easier way, shortcut way, direct way, okay. So in this, and if this is velocity time graph, so that means what? Non-uniform acceleration. Non-uniform acceleration. Sir, how can you say it is acceleration? How cannot you say it is retardation? Because I can see that if I find out the slope here at this tangent, and if I find out the slope here at this point, always I am seeing that the slope is increasing. Slope is what? Perpendicular by base. So here perpendicular ki size is increasing, no, jitna aap upar jaoge, so slope will also increase. Numerator increase hone se pura fraction increase ho jata hai, sikha hai na class 8 mein. So slope is increasing, so that means velocity is increasing, so in non-uniform acceleration, slope is changing, that's why non-uniform increasing, that is acceleration. So how will be non-uniform retardation? Velocity by time, it has to be like this, decreasing, right or wrong? It should be in the decreasing direction, it should be in the increasing direction, it should be in the, in this way, नीचे की तरफ जाएगा, right or wrong? नीचे की तरफ ऐसे आएगा शायद, ऐसे गोल करके, स्ट्रेट लाइन नहीं आएगा लेकिन गोल करके आएगा. अंडरस्टूड? इज दिस क्लियर? अंडरस्टूड?